How to take a screenshot using triple tap on your iPhone. So firstly, open your settings. Now you want to scroll down and open accessibility. Next step is to open the touch and scroll down to the bottom and find back tap option and open the triple tap option. The last step is to find the screenshot. So if we triple tap, it will screenshot your screen. So click on screenshot and you can triple tap your iPhone or the back of your iPhone. So I'm gonna do it now. Triple tap detected, and it will take a screenshot. So it's that simple. If you triple tap your iPhone, it will take a screenshot, or you have these options here. If you don't want to take a screenshot, you can, for example, use the torch or the flashlight. If I triple tap, it will turn on my flashlight. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.